Welcome to the channel. I'm Pete from It's Cruise Life. We are sailing on the MSC World America, and today we are visiting Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. Quite often it's a tricky decision as to whether you book your excursion with the cruise line or an external company. If the excursion is 4 hours or less, we'll generally opt for the private company. And the company we like to use and have used for many years is Viator.
These are steps, Lisa.
Our trip with Viator was scheduled for 9 AM and it took us approximately 15 minutes to walk to our taxi. We were able to contact our tour guide on WhatsApp. Now what we didn't realise is the Monkey Mania tour and plantation was about a 40-minute drive. Taino Bay also had a squirrel monkey enclosure, and this would have potentially saved us quite a lot of time, and it costs only $25 per person.
Right, are these squirrel monkeys?
Squirrel
monkeys.
Squirrel monkeys. Yeah.
No, just sit there. Let him jump on you.
Oh, he's got two on his head.
He's got food.
Okay, can you go right here?
Yes.
Taino Bay had plenty going on to keep you occupied. However, we do like to get out with a tour guide and learn a bit about the history and culture of the island or country that we're visiting.
Oh, bless her.
Hey, Diana. Diana. A Diana le dio como una cosita ahorita. Como un mareo, una cosa. Parecía como...
I'd say that we were allowed approximately 25 minutes with the monkeys, and then we looked around the plantation and the shop before heading back into town.
Hello.
Hey, you get closer, please. Closer.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Lovely.
Alright, you
Got the
ready?
camera going and the 360 camera.
I'm gonna be in that video maybe.
Yeah, I'll give you a card. Mind you, you're in loads of videos, aren't you?
Okay.
Do you want a picture with you two? Because she likes a picture with the guide. She always likes that. Of course, it's what you meant. I'll do two. All right.
Paseo de Doña Blanca, also known as Pink Street in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, is a tribute to Bianca Franceschini Rainieri, an Italian immigrant, who, with her husband, established the first hotel in the city in 1898. The street, painted pink, commemorates her legacy and her contributions to the city's tourism industry, and also to commemorate her battle with breast cancer. The pink alleyway Paseo de Doña Blanca was created to honor her memory and her impact on Puerto Plata. The street is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike, known for its vibrant color and picturesque setting. It is located near the Central Park and is a short walk from the Umbrella Street. Umbrella Street is a relatively new attraction, inspired by a similar concept that originated in Portugal. Calle San Felipe transformed with colorful umbrellas suspended overhead, creating a vibrant and picturesque scene. umbrellas are changed as their colors fade. This addition to Puerto Plata provides a fun, photogenic space for locals and tourists, with shops, cafes, and restaurants lining the street. The town square in Puerto Plata is called Parque Central Independencia. It's located in the historical center of the city and is a popular spot for tourists. The square features a gazebo, the Cathedral of St. Philip the Apostle, and is surrounded by beautiful Victorian-era buildings, giving the area a distinct architectural style. The square also includes monuments to Dominican heroes, benches for relaxation, and nearby shops and cafes.
So that was our tour of Puerto Plata, and we now head back to Taino Bay and MSC World America.
Taino Bay is a modern cruise port in Puerto Plata, offering a mix of relaxation, entertainment, and access to the city. It features a large pool area with a swim-up bar, a lazy river, shopping, restaurants and bars, all within the port itself. There is also a free tuk-tuk taxi available to transport passengers from the pier to the port's main area.
So we're in Puerto Plata today, just heading back to the ship after our excursion with Viator. And yeah, how did that go?
Yeah, it was great. Really enjoyed the monkey excursion.
Yeah, the monkey excursion. We had a little bit of a tour around Puerto Plata. Yeah,
Little bit of a trip.
watch your foot there. Yeah, we went to see, was it Pink Street, yeah, Umbrella Street, little wander around the square there. Yeah, it's a nice little town.
Yeah, really
Nice little town.
Yeah, come back again one day maybe.
Yep, so we're going to head back to the ship and catch you soon. Thanks very much for watching. Here's Waddy's card. If you enjoyed the tour, you can book this through Viator. I'll leave the link in the description below. Or if you give Waddy a call, you may even be able to book a private tour. Who knows? So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like, comment and subscribe. The algorithm likes all that and it helps us to grow, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.